Guys, it's Tori. So we are going to do a chatty get ready with me. I am getting ready for work. I have a very busy day today at the salon, but I just thought that I would sit down and get ready with you guys. I have some really exciting things to update on, and yeah, so with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. So I'm just doing like my everyday makeup. I already did my lashes because I can't really talk and apply those at the same time. It's way too hard. Look at my nails. I just got them done on Wednesday, but today is Saturday. Today's the last day of April. Oh my god, tomorrow is literally May. That's crazy. But it is Saturday and I have work at 9 o'clock, but I have an appointment right at 9 o'clock, so I want to get there at least 15 minutes early to set up. I have a bunch of makeup clients today because it's prom season, and I bet every single one of them is a prom like client. I don't actually know. I do know my first two are, but I don't know about my last one. And then I also have a hair client today, which I also think is for prom. So we have a very busy day. I haven't had this many clients literally ever in one day, so it's gonna be a little hectic for me. Saturday are my shorter shifts too. I only work 4.5 hours on Saturdays because with my school I have to work 15 hours a week. So that's kind of what I work at the salon. So Thursdays and Fridays I work a little bit of longer shifts, but Saturdays are my short shifts. I work from 9 to 1:30, and I think there's only like maybe not even an hour of my day when I don't have clients today. So gonna be really busy today, but it's like exciting and good. Finally I'm gonna be like extra busy and I'm excited about it. I've had a few repeat clients. I got some new clients in April. No, I got some new clients in March. So it's finally time for them to be coming in for their 4 to 6 week, whatever, if it was a haircut or a color. They're finally like being repeat clients. So that's good too. Things have been kind of hard on me when it comes to work, just because it's like really hard when you don't have people. It's just like getting clients it's not easy. It's really hard, but finally picking up just a little bit. I'm really excited about it. Whoa, Jesus, what am I doing? Okay, so my current favorite primer has been the e.l.f. Power Grip. I think that's what it's called. It's been helping with my oils a lot. So for like foundation, I'm going into my Fenty. I've not been wearing a bunch of full coverage foundation. I mean, I've still been wearing like something on my skin, but I've been kind of alternating between this and my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin. So I've been kind of alternating between those two. My self tan is wearing off just a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I hate the like application of this product. Like, I hate that it's a squeezy. I know some people like it, but I literally think it makes such a freaking mess. Like, it just gets everywhere. So my good news is that I finally bought a car. I bought a car. I bought my own car. I've been saving, and my dad did help me, so I'm not gonna say that like, oh, I bought it all by myself, but I did chip in a good chunk of money, and I'm literally so excited. It should be here a week from today. My dad found it up where I used to live, and so my brother's gonna bring it to me next weekend when he comes for Mother's Day. And I'm like literally just so excited. Like, I cannot wait to get my car. It is a 2009 Ford Escape. It is like the sport utility, so it has like every feature you could think of. It has a sunroof, it has touchscreen navigation, it has leather seats, it has heated seats. It apparently lights up. Like my car, like the inside of it lights up. Like that literally came with the car. Like it wasn't an add-on that someone put. But like my cup holders and floorboards light up if I push a specific button, and you can change the color. I've never in my life heard of that. Like I know that people will put like the plug-in LED lights in their car and you plug it into like a car outlet. But I've never heard of it literally coming with the vehicle. So I'm literally so excited. It's all I can think about. It's like the one thing I'm looking forward to, because the month of May is going to be literally so hectic. I've been using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I don't know why, I just have it in my collection and I've been grabbing it. I don't know how I even feel about it. I don't think it looks bad. It doesn't look cakey. It does crease a little bit, but I've been enjoying it, and I don't know if I've ever actually used this before, like recently. I've had it for a while though. But yeah, May is gonna be so hectic for me. I have 3 award ceremonies that I've been invited to. So that means I'm either getting scholarships or like an academic award for my really good grades. I have above a 4.0 GPA. A lot of people want to look at me and be like, oh, she's so smart. I can flex on how smart I am and how good at school I am, because I have never had anything but all A's since I started high school 4 years ago. Oh my god, 4 years ago. That's literally just so scary and disgusting to say. But yeah, I have 3 award ceremonies that I've been invited to. I have 2 graduations because I graduate from both my homeschool and the career center I go to. And then prom. I also have prom. Oh my god, I also forgot to tell you something else. It's very exciting. I am going to see Russ, like the musician, the man of my dreams. I love him so much. I'm going to see him on the 23rd of May with my best friend Avery. She is coming here for my graduations because my official graduation is on the 22nd of May, and then like my one from the career center is on the 24th. So on the 23rd I'm going to a concert, but Avery's coming and my sister's coming from North Carolina to come see me for a few days for graduation. Yeah, that's just a lot and I'm really excited. I really want to know if you guys want a prom get ready with me, a graduation get ready with me, and a concert get ready with me / vlog. I will vlog that if you guys want. Those are kind of the videos I'm thinking for May. It's gonna be a lot of get ready with me's, but May is just gonna be really hectic. I'm not gonna have a whole lot of extra time to be filming, so I want to make you guys aware of that right now. My upload schedule is gonna be really crazy for just a little while I'm trying to get grasp of everything going on. But yeah, just kind of let me know what you guys are thinking, if those are video ideas that sound good to you guys. I feel like that's gonna be the easiest on me, and I think it also would be fun for me to have the process of me getting ready for the literally last days of my high school career, like documented, of me getting ready for really big exciting things. So if those interest you guys, please let me know. I'm gonna try and get this video up as soon as I can. It's just I work today and then I'm doing a wedding tomorrow for my catering job that I have, and then also I'm applying for another job. I'm waiting until Monday to submit my application because in English class, we're going to be doing updating our resumes like as a whole, and I'd rather just have my teacher help me do that than me try and do it myself. For loose powder, I've been using the Huda Beauty ever since I tried it in that video. I've been enjoying it. It does have a very strong fragrance, but I've been liking it. I'm not really sure why I've been liking it. I've just been using it. Like I was saying, I have work today. I work my other job tomorrow. Then on Tuesday, I have an award ceremony. Then Thursday through Saturday next week, I work again. I work every Thursday through Saturday. And then I get my car on Saturday. And then the following Monday, I have another award ceremony. Then I work again, Thursday through... Oh no, I will only work Thursday and Friday that week because I have prom the 14th. And then the next week, I work Thursday through Saturday. My sister is coming that Saturday. I have an award ceremony that Thursday, which is the 19th. On the 20th, I have graduation practice. And then I graduate on the 22nd. Avery comes on the 22nd. Me and Avery are going to our concert on the 23rd. Then on the 24th, I have my second graduation practice and my second graduation. And then after that, I'm working that Thursday through Saturday. And then that Friday, one of my friends has their grad party. And then I'm going up to my dad's for Avery's graduation. And then Avery's grad party is the following weekend, and one of my best friends have their grad party every weekend of June up until the 24th, which is my grad party. And I'm getting my second job in June. Hopefully I get the job. But yeah, so the next 2 months are really gonna be very chaotic and all over the place, and you're just gonna have to work with me. I know summertime is usually when I hit full gear and I post as much as possible, but it's just gonna be very hectic and a lot is gonna be happening. So just be patient with me while I do everything I can to still get videos up for you guys. I just don't know what my schedule is going to be like yet. And I'm also going to college next year. I'm gonna major in business, so I will have college stuff to do. So it's just, life is gonna be a little hectic for a while. I still want to stick with filming and everything. It's just I'm gonna have to find the time and a schedule that works for me. So yeah, that's gonna be something for me to work on. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna use my Glowish. I have been using my Fenty and my One Size, but they're a little too deep for me right now. My bronzer's just been like really heavy lately, and I don't know why, because like I don't dig in there and then go like, no, like I pat it in I pat it in a few times, and then I like tap off my brush and then I just pat it on my skin. So I'm not really sure why my bronzer's been like crazy recently. Like I just threw so much information at you guys in such a short period of time, and now I'm like, what else is going on in my life now that I just literally gave a timeline of the next 2 months of my life. But I bought a few things for my car. I do want to do a car tour or a car decorate with me once I start ordering things. I ordered a couple of things. I can insert pictures here of what I ordered. One of the things already came in, and then the other one should be here, I think on Wednesday. But yeah, I've purchased a few things, and then I have a ton of stuff on Amazon that I want to buy. because when I got in my car accident, I lost a lot of the like cute decorative things that I had in my car. So I'm gonna have to rebuy some stuff. And I also want to deck this car out a little bit more because this is gonna be my car for the next like 5 to 8 years. So yeah, but she's red. She's really cute. Can't wait to like show you guys. I really think that I want to get a camera this summer, and I'm also going to be buying a MacBook. But I want to get a camera, I think. So hopefully I can do like drive with me's and stuff, and then we can do videos in my car, because then I can use my phone for the playlist and everything, and you guys can just drive with me and we can chit chat, and I think it'd be fun. So that's something that I want to kind of work towards. My blush alternates from day to day, but I think today I want to use my Glowish Berry Juicy. I love this a lot. I would definitely consider getting another shade, but they only have 4 shades, and the other ones didn't appeal to me a whole lot, which is why I went for this one. But this blush is so pretty. I'm kind of excited to have like a busy day. It'll give me a taste of what it'll be like one day when I am fuller. And it's like really exciting that 3 of them are makeup clients, because my dream is to do makeup. I love doing hair as well, like color and stuff. But since I'm newer to the industry, I haven't really had a whole lot of color blonding services, or like at all. So it'll be nice to get to do some services that I thoroughly enjoy. Like with YouTube, like it's taken me years and years to get to where I am, and I still want to grow more. So we just gotta keep pushing through. I've been literally so exhausted physically and mentally for like the past few months. Like I'm just drained all the time. Yeah, so this is the finished everyday look. I know I have like foundation on my lips. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Please let me know what of those videos you guys want to see. I have ideas. It's just executing them, making sure you guys are interested. I do want to do a makeup collection soon, and I want to do like a current favorites video. Like there's a lot of things that I want to do. It's just me finding the time to get around to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face for the 20th time, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!